Jangan lupa like and share ini channel ya.
Anna，你講緊啲乜嘢啊？
唔係講 subscribe like and share 呢個 channel 咩，先生？
而家係早上8點鐘，我哋由 Auckland 去 Rotorua 要坐4個鐘。我哋搭嘅係 Intercity Bus 喺 Auckland Central 去 Rotorua， 成個車程咧大概係4個半鐘左右啦。Intercity Bus 咧係一架提供唔同城市城鎮來往嘅旅遊大巴。我哋今次嘅旅程都係靠佢去唔同嘅地方㗎。大家如果想搭嘅話，記得早啲 book 啦。咁盧托魯亞咧係紐西蘭北島著名嘅第二景點嚟嘅，呢度嘅土地面積大概係2615平方公里啦，差唔多係香港嘅2.3倍啊！但係人口咧只係得79000人左右咋，可想而知香港真係好窄好逼啊！
落咗車啦，翻去我哋嗰邊嘅酒店，回到腰酸背痛嘅成個人都，跟住坐咗4個幾鐘。
呢度嘅酒店裝修風格咧好懷舊，問翻酒店嘅職員咧，原來酒店興建喺1897年嘅時候，使用咗英式嘅建築，保留咗懷舊得嚟而高貴嘅風格，再加上聖誕節嘅氣氛啦，令到個感覺好 warm 同埋好溫暖，好似走咗入去70至到80年代嘅空間一樣啊！咁其實我好中意呢一啲木板嘅質地咧，再加埋地氈嘅酒店。咁啱啱好呢個酒店咧就係一模一樣。咁佢有一個好70至到80年代嘅電影 feel。而樓上嘅地方咧，通常都係會用嚟做客房嘅，間唔中都會見到有露台嘅地方啦，可以出去坐下嘅。
而房間方面咧就唔算好大，不過都係充滿咗舊式建築設計嘅感覺。一張大床，一個簡單整潔嘅浴室，我哋就喺呢度住咗1晚啦。
去邊度啊？
喺呢個剪羊毛須。
剪羊毛須，咁我哋就喺呢度啦。好，我哋而家行入去。咁張表格係
呢個而家睇呢個剪羊毛須啦，跟住陣間有個 tour 嘅，應該係要坐車嘅。我諗我都未去過啊，我都冇真正睇過其實。
好啊，咁而家陣間係有個表演，會去大舞台呢度表演嘅。
Meets will not to give us a set of twins in our springtime. So our first sheep breeds we developed here in New Zealand. Now he is a mix between the Merino and the Lincoln. Moving on to the borders of Scotland. We've got another Scotchman, he's small but feisty. It's little Jimmy, our feisty sheep. Wait, what are you doing up here? You come with me. You go home. Go home. Okay, you go home. Let's go. Let's go. Young man, can you help me? Yes, you come home, my
有陣時候咧，表演者講嘅英文啦，或者係語言上，我哋其實聽得唔係好明，令到個體驗唔太好。不過唔怕，而家我會用呢個 Walkie Glasses 去即時做一個同步嘅翻譯，咁我就即時知道佢講啲乜嘢。咁我之後咧亦都會介紹呢副眼鏡嘅，呢個眼鏡叫 Walkie Glasses 嘅，記得留意我之後嘅影片啦。
got a 13-tooth comb on the bottom, then on the very top.
咁佢就介紹緊呢唔同嘅羊嘅羊毛呢嘅價格都唔同，咁中間嗰隻羊呢個價格係最貴嘅。
Now I've got my uniform, I've got my equipment. All I need now is a sheep. Okay, no, you're up now. Okay. Come on. We pick her up, take her off her feet. 9 times out of 10, that usually calms the sheep down. We turn around and we reverse. Now this doesn't hurt the sheep, doesn't hurt the shearer. Safest way to get from point A to point B. You're a bit stiff, relax, relax. As she gets through it, push up and speed it up a bit. See how she goes. Good sheep, one sheep. So we're starting at the top. What we call a top knot, flipping over, what we call a blind knot. Try to put it around my shirt.
Oh wow!
There's the sort of legs. What we call our long blow. We call the line side. Good father. Our albatross. Now, how do you think she feels? A bit calm, then embarrassed, please naked. Those are her clothes. Now, the best thing to do for a sheep after you give them a haircut is actually to put them straight outside. Now, don't go. So pass it back. Pass it back or pass it to the family. What I need you to do, I need you to go. Let's give her a warm up. Now, Mary, that's very good. That's right. You four are going to lift my cow. There's pasteurized milk and there's woo in your eyes. You're a first party mine. Kia ora. Nice to meet you. What is your name? We like. Which flavor would you like? Chocolate, she says. Okay, come this way. Chocolate. No, are you sure? Let's go. Because what will happen, they'll jump right off. Go left, go left. Right, standing, stand, stand. Steady, it is, steady, steady. Now, we can't have her sheep running around our sanctuary. Dogs will happen, they'll jump right off. That's why we have the ducks.
My turn.
Now it's getting very close to this dog's dinner time. Go back, go back. Now she's not a vegetarian. She's thinking.
Wow.
Thinking duck. Roast duck. So we're gonna get these ducks back to safety. Get off this. Get off. Get off. Go down. Now.
完咗表演之後呢，我哋都可以上台同埋其他羊仔一齊去影相嘅。
呢隻羊仔唔知係咪嘔緊啊，好似有啲唔舒服咁樣啊，希望佢快啲好返啦。
而家準備坐車去遊覽呢個餵羊啦。
我哋就係坐住呢架車去2至3個餵動物嘅地方，沿途嘅時候呢，司機都會介紹呢個農場嘅歷史俾我哋嘅。
阿田，喺我隻手度咯。Hello, baby, baby. 有 baby 喎。你啦，你啦。
呢隻係咪啱啱嗰隻？
唔知啊。Hello。No。冇嘢。你話識你話人。你哋會唔會打交㗎？你哋會唔會打交㗎？又係你？
啊，呢個阿杜啊，
係呢個
阿杜食齋啦，咩啊？呢隻啦杜，咁埋你啦。
第一個你個頭。
Hello，我靚。
係，咁樣。
耶！
佢唔中意。
我想騎咗係啊，幫我撳一撳。
嗱，俾多少少你啦。勁勁。好啦。
呢個好搞笑啊！哇！蒙豬眼嚟㗎，你睇下蒙豬眼。
佢唔係原鼻子咩？
嗱，執咩啦？
佢食好少㗎咋。
Hello，
你嗰邊我哋
食啦，俾粒棍你食啦。
都得㗎，我好驚啊！得唔得㗎啲
俾
路？
粒棍你食啦。
来喂这个，来快点喂这个。
做咩對到？
對係啦。
给大家，给大家。
呢個好似隻馬，MK 仔咁。
但唔係呢個最得意咩？呢個好乖喎隻眼，好似阿銀啊。人姐，人姐啊，呢個係有牌子嘅。
係，幫我追呢隻，追呢隻。
Hello。
我哋坐返上道上車嘅時候，突然之間傾盆大雨啊！諗返起真係好感恩，我哋完成晒所有體驗之後先至落大雨嘅。希望啲羊仔同其他小動物都可以揾到有瓦遮頭嘅地方避雨啦。而我最中意嘅環節呢，就係牧羊犬跳上去啲羊身上啦，真係覺得佢哋好威猛、好聰明。唔知大家有冇去過紐西蘭呢個愛哥頓牧場呢？如果有嘅話，你哋又會中意邊一個環節呢？可以留言分享話俾我哋知啊！
我哋食完飯之後呢，見到個時間都叫做仲早，所以呢，我哋就去咗附近嘅大型超級市場嗰度行下。咁講返當日啦，其實係 Macy 嘅正日生日嚟嘅，咁所以我哋本身原意呢係諗住去附近嘅蛋糕店買蛋糕，但係呢附近都冇蛋糕店啊，同埋佢哋好早收，所以我哋就入咗呢間大型嘅超級市場嗰度買。好彩啊！我哋最後都係買到一個生日蛋糕。然之後我哋就返去酒店啦。
次回予告。等咗成半個鐘啊！
呢個係話全世界最好食嘅
漢堡包。
返航點已刷新，請留意返航位置。
遇襲颱風，仆街控制緊。佢而家越吹越遠喎，唔應該飛啊，應該飛嚟嘅。
車輛低，請行駛返航。
606米啊，距離我哋呢度